Hey guys, Ellargu Namaskara. Welcome to another travel vlog. In this video, we will be visiting a temple in a place called Bettadasanapura, located close by to Begur village. The speciality of this temple is that it is situated on a small rocky hill surrounded by a fort. We are taking a right from Bomnali Junction and heading towards Begur village. This is quite a busy stretch. You can also reach this temple via Electronic City Phase 1. It's about 4.5 kilometers from Bomnali Junction to reach Begur village. You have to take a right after Begur police station to reach the main village area. After passing Begur village, continue via Begur Kuppa main road for about 6 kilometers until you reach St. Mary's School Junction. At the roundabout at St. Mary's School Junction, take left and continue for about 2 kilometers. Now we have reached Bettadasanapura Junction. As you turn left, the temple is only 800 meters. As you go further, you can notice the temple on top of the hill. After a while, you will notice an arch on the left, which is the main entrance to the temple. The main entrance of this temple is made with granite blocks. As you enter, you can notice the fort walls on either sides with a path in between. This is the main fort area. There are two temples located within this fort called Kote Timmaraya Swami and Kashi Vishwanath Temple. There is a small pond in the center as well. It is said that the temple carries out procession every year during Ugadi festival. In Kartika Shravana month, people from surrounding villages prepare and carry food to the temple and serve to all. The sunset from the hillock next to the temple is truly spectacular. It is worth visiting this place in the evening. You will feel the cool breeze and also witness the beautiful sunset. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. More videos coming up. Until then, goodbye and stay safe.